Hello everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial series. Today we learn all about turtle module. Turtle module is used for a graphical representation. Let's start. First of all, first step is make all the turtle command available for us. So first step is we have to import turtle. So import turtle module. So we have to type import turtle turtle and enter. Okay, after that, after importing, create a new turtle and we call it Codium, like Codium. My channel name Codium is equal to turtle dot remember, first turtle have a small t and the second turtle have capital T, turtle turtle, and the bracket close. This is the variable that his name is Codium and he is a turtle. Okay, the next step, we move this turtle in a particular direction. So what we do, Codium dot forward, you can type full forward or FD, and the value of pixel, it means 100 pixel distance he travel. Now we can start check by run. When we run, the window is appear for milliseconds and disappear. For this you have to type Codium dot done for hold the screen. Now you can run. You can check the screen is not run, so we have to Codium dot done, and we have to Codium not turtle, turtle dot done, and now you can run. The window is static, but the arrow, this is our initial point, first point of turtle, and this cursor is a turtle, that name is Codium. He travel this distance in this direction. Default direction is this horizontal. So what we do, we have to slow the speed. So Codium is the name of turtle dot speed and bracket close, and one is slow speed. Now run. You can check he is moved some distance. We increase distance for visibility. You can check the turtle move from here to here. Now what we do, we change the speed. If we change the speed to, you can check here, if we change the speed 5, okay, if we change speed is 0, so you can change the speed of drawing your turtle. So this is the turtle, very basic. If you click here and put Codium dot right RT, or you can write right, and 90 degree. Now you can run. Now you can check the cursor is moved 200 pixel in this direction, then move cursor in 90 degree. Now what we do, we again type Codium dot FD and move 300 and run. Now you can check, this is the initial point and he going this way, then right degree 90 angle and 300 pixel of this way. So this is bilkul very basic turtle, how to move a turtle in a particular direction. You know that how to draw a line by a turtle module. Now we have to learn how to create a square by Codium, by a turtle module. So what we do, we remove all this. First step is import turtle. The second step is name the turtle. So we name Codium. Please subscribe my channel, Codium dot turtle turtle. First turtle is small t and the next turtle is capital T, turtle. Okay, after this what we do, Codium is equal to, here is equal to, okay, Codium dot forward 200 pixel forward in this direction, because default direction of the turtle is this, and he move in this direction 200 pixel, then he rotate 90 degree in this direction, then move here 200, then 90 degree in this direction, then move in this direction, then 90 degree in this direction, then move 200 in this direction. This is the way we create a square. So codium dot rt 90 degree. Now what we do, we copy paste this. This is first line, this is second line, this is third line, this is fourth line. Okay, now we check by run. Okay, no attribute, the module turtle has no attribute turtle. Okay, codium is equal to turtle dot turtle. Now this is spelling mistake. Now again run. Now you can check the square is done. Now for screen holding, you can put turtle turtle dot done and bracket close for screen holding. So these two lines create first line of square, second line of square, third line of square, and fourth line of square. Now again we check the run like that. Okay, so this is the tutorial how to create a square by turtle module, and this tutorial is all about turtle. First we learn how to draw a line by turtle, second how to draw a square of turtle, third we draw a square by turtle and by a loop. Okay, not we have to put or write these too many lines. Okay, so what we do, we remove these lines. Okay, we have a import turtle. Okay, done, and we give the name of the turtle is codium. We have the codium is my pen name, that who write the square. Now what we do, for we create a loop for I in range, and because we have 4 sides, so 4 sides, enter. Now codium is a turtle, or you can say codium is a pen forward or codium forward 200 pixel and codium right 90 degree. Okay, and these two things repeat till 4 times and the square is generated. Now let's start. You can see here the square is done. Okay, how the loop is work, we define a loop I is a variable, that I range is for 1 2 3 4 step, and 4 step this loop is continue till 4 step. The first step is 200 pixel line and 90 degree rotation, the second step is 200 line and this 90 degree, and like that 4 steps is completed and the square is completed. Now we have to learn how to create a star by the turtle. So you know that when we create a star like that, this is the length and this is the angle is 144. Okay, and the step is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 steps, and rotation is 1 2 3 4 5 rotation, 8 and 5 13 I think. So let's start. First of all we have to import turtle, enter, name the turtle codium, my channel, please subscribe. Codium is equal to small t turtle and dot capital T turtle. Okay, after this what we do, we create a range for I. Without range you have to write many lines, range and 13. Okay, for I is continue till 13 step. So codium dot fd 200 pixel. Okay, and codium dot right angle, I tell you 144 for star, and turtle dot done for holding the screen. Now check and run. only this one step, Codium dot forward this and this and this. Okay, because screen hold after one step, so backspace. Now run. Now you can check star is created. Now how to create a spiral triangle, spiral star shape by turtle. In this shape you can see here the length of the side of the star is increase every time. Okay, so it's very simple, increase every time. You remember this thing. Now what we do, so first of all, first step is import turtle. Why we repeat this again, because by repetition is remember is easily. So we call the name of the turtle is Codium. Codium is my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Codium is equal to turtle. Turtle is, first turtle is small and the second turtle is T is capital. Turtle. Okay, after this we create a range for I in range. Let's range is 20. Okay, so Codium dot forward for FD forward, how much distance, I multiply by 10. We increase each side in every step by 10. Okay, then Codium dot right angle is 144 for start, and for stop the screen, hold the screen, turtle dot done. Okay, not in this loop like that. Okay, why we do this? When the star length, first I range for 20 is one value, so first is 10 pixel, the next is 2 into 10 20, then 30, then 40, like that. Okay, let's start and run this, check this. Here the spelling mistake. Okay, run. Now again something wrong. Import turtle turtle and range. Yeah, there is the, now you can check the one more error, no attribute in line 2. This is line 2. Codium is equal to turtle dot, here capital T. These are the error, you have to type very accurately. Now you can check the spiral star is creating. Every time the star side is increased by 10. Okay, how to make a colorful drawing? Let's start this spiral star, make the colorful by type a line here. What type? Codium is my turtle, please subscribe my Codium channel. Turtle dot pen color, and the value of pen color is blue. Now run and check. Now you can see here spiral turtle is blue color, sorry, spiral star is blue color. Now if you check, if you want the color change, every line of color change, you can copy this line and paste here. When the angle is rotation, the color is changed in red. Okay, only the cursor color is red. So what we do, we cut this and we copy these three lines and paste here, and color change is red. Now what happened, first of all he create first line blue and rotate the second line red, like that. Let's check. Now you can check the every line color is changed. So this is the way you can change the color line. This is the basic all about turtle module. Please, if you like this video, subscribe and share on Facebook, share on YouTube, please. Thank you everyone.